I've been dragging my feet, sloth. I'm piggy, I've been getting sloshed. Meeting bros, making me some brand new fours. Zindoziakes, as it crazy in for. I'm tired of all the so-called creatives, they lazy. But lately, best been easy. I'm tired of all the two-faced, too sexy, fake chakra hands I take with unmade. I've been going through a lot since I left the small profit. KwaZulu, but in my life, Utwanga. The color parts in that pega, Basega. They didn't know I did it cause the hunger. Said I must get